About 43,000 people every year are killed for not wearing their seatbelts. 58% of teenage drivers are killed in crashes every year. 34% of children die each year because they weren't restrained in the car. Research has shown that wearing your seatbelt can reduce the chance of fatal injury by 45%, and this saves 15,147 lives per year. There can be serious consequences for not wearing your seatbelt. This includes fines, injury to yourself and others, and death. Your life isn't a video game, so don't treat it like one. Click it or ticket.